Hello everyone, welcome you all in Mathematics by Mathmedia. Today we will learn median. Our objectives of the lesson are define median, calculate median for ungrouped data. What is median? The median is the middle value of the data. Next, how to calculate median? We have given here ungrouped data for calculating median. 33, 11, 27, 25, 46, 66, and 3. So what we have to do? We have to remember all the steps how to calculate median of the given data. Step number 1, arrange data in ascending order, small to big. Number 2, check number of quantities are odd or even. Step number 3, if number of quantities odd, then apply formula n plus 1 over 2th term of the data. Step number 4, write median that will be the value at n plus 1 over 2th term. So let me explain all these steps. First of all, arrange data in ascending order, small to big. So I'm going to arrange data small to big in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. So the smallest number here is 3, then 11, then 25, then 33, then 46, in the last 66. And what is left now we can check 3, 11, 25, 27. Oh, 27 is left here. 27, then comma 33. Now all the data is done. We have done step number 1, arrange data in ascending order. Next, what we have to do, check number of quantities are odd or even. We know very well odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. While if we talk about even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. So we have to check our data number of quantities are even or odd. So let's count with me. One, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of quantities are 7. It means we can say n is equal to 7. And 7 means number of quantities are odd. We have odd number of quantities because 7 is an odd number. We counted, there are 7 quantities. So what we will do next, after checking whether the numbers are even and odd, we have checked its odd number of quantities. If number of quantities odd, then apply formula n plus 1 over 2th term. So we will apply this formula now. N plus 1 over 2th term will be the median. 2th term. What does it mean? We know very well. We have 7 quantities given. So this 3 is the first term, 11 is second term, 25 is third term, 27 is fourth term, 33 is fifth term, 46 is sixth term, and 66 is seventh term because it is written as seventh place. So n, what n plus 1 over 2th term, this you have to remember. So what to do next is n means we will put n is 7 because we have 7 quantities. This 1 will come same plus 1 over 2. This 2 and 1 are written in formula. We will copy down same over 2th term. over 2th term. So 7 plus 1 will be, we know, it's very easy term. So it will become 7 plus 1 will become 8. It will be 8 divided by 2. 8 by 2th term. 8 by 2 means 8 divided by 2 will be fourth term. So our median will be the fourth term. Fourth term means not median is not 4. Remember this. This is telling us median is not 4. Median is fourth term. So check which term is written at fourth number in our arranged data. You must have to arrange the data. If you are not arranging data, your answer will be wrong. So 3 is written at first term, second, third. Let me take this highlighter. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. So this is 27 is the fourth term of our data. So our answer is going to be median is equal to fourth, not four terms. So fourth term is 27. So our median is 27. So how we did? Step number one, we arrange data in ascending order. If for finding median, you are not arranging data in ascending order from small to big, then your answer is going to be wrong. So step number one, must arrange data in ascending order. Step number two, you have to count the values in the given data. So we counted n is equal to 7. N means how many number of quantities are there. So our number of quantities are odd. Then if odd, we will apply the formula n plus 1 over 2th term. So n is 7 because there are 7 quantities. So we did n plus 1 means 7 plus 1 by 2th term. 7 plus 1 will be 8 by 2th term. 8 by 2 is 4. So our median is not 4, median is fourth term in the given data. So we have already checked the fourth term is 3, 11, 25, and this is 27 is written at fourth place. Fourth term is 27. So our median answer is 27. So let's move ahead. Here we have calculated median when the number of quantities are odd, like there were 7 quantities, so odd number of quantities. But sometimes we have to calculate median for ungroup data when quantities are even. So like you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like n means number of quantities. Number of quantities are 6. N is equal to 6. N is equal to 6. And we know 6 is an even number. So sometimes we can have odd number of quantities, like we have done this example, and sometimes we may have even number of quantities because 6 is an even number. So how to calculate median when we have data in even number of quantities? So the steps for this are: step number one, arrange data in ascending order, small to big. First, we have to arrange data. If we are not arranging data in ascending order, our answer is going to be wrong. This is the most important step you have to do for median. So step number one, I am writing here, arrange data in ascending order. So let's arrange with me. The smallest value here is 5, then 7, then 8, then 10, comma 15, and in the last there is 21. So I have arranged the given data in ascending order, small to big. That is the most important step for calculating median. If you are not doing this step, then your answer will be wrong. Step number two, check number of quantities are odd or even. So I have already done step 1 and step 2 also I have done. I have counted There are total 6 quantities and 6 is an even number. If the number of quantities are even, then apply formulas. We have to apply different formulas. Number first one is n by 2th term. N first formula is we will apply two formulas n by 2th term. N by 2 means n divided by 2th term. So this is the first formula that we will apply. N by 2 means we have counted n is 6. Total quantities are 6. 6 by 2th term. 6 by 2 means 6 divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 will be 2th term. 6 divided by 2 will be equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3. It means third term. So we will check what is third term in our data. The third term is 8. So I am writing here third term is 8. The third term in our data is 8. Another formula that we have to apply is n by 2 plus 1 term. We have to apply two formulas here. N by 2 means n divided by 2, then we will do plus 1 plus 1th term. First we will do n by 2 and divided by 2, then we will add plus 1. So n by 2 means 6 because total quantities are 6. 6 divided by 2, then plus 1 1th term. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 6 divided by 2 3 plus 1 will be copied down as it is 3 plus 1th term. 3 plus 1 is 4th 4. So it means 4th term. So what is the fourth term in our data? We can check in our arranged data. We will not check third or fourth term in the question given. We will check where we have arranged data. In arranged data where we have done it in ascending order. So the fourth term here is 10. So here I can write fourth term is equal to 10. So we have found two middle values that are 10 and 8, 8 and 10. So what will be the median? Whether 8 is the median or 10th is the median. So let's check the next step. We have applied the formulas. Now we got two values 8 and 10. We have to take average of the above terms. So how to take average? Average means for finding median, what we will do for finding median is equal to we have to take average of these two terms, third and fourth value. So third value is 8. You can check here. At third place we have 8. Third term is 8. And the fourth term is 10. So 8 plus 10. For taking average, we will add both these numbers and we will divide by 2. Why divided by 2? Because there are two quantities that we are adding. So 8 divided by 8 plus 10 sorry is 18 and 18 divided by 2 will be 9. So it means answer for median for this question is 9. So you can check here 8 and 10, third and fourth term are the middle values. We have taken average, then we divided by 2 and we got the answer. So median value divides the data into two equal parts from both sides. Here also two values are left, here also two values are left. Okay, so in this lesson we have learned what is median, that is a middle value, and how to calculate median. We have already discussed when we want to calculate median, first of all we must have to arrange data in ascending order from small to big. This is the most important step. Then we have to check number of quantities. If the number of quantities are odd, like in this data we have odd number of quantities 7, then we have to apply formula n plus 1 over 2th term. n plus 1 over 2 term, we got fourth term. So we will check what is the fourth term in our data, that is median in arranged data, not in the question. We will check the fourth term in our arranged data, that is 4 term 27. So this is our median, and when we have to even number of quantities, then also first step will be same, arrange data in ascending order small to big. Then when we find the number of quantities are even, we have to apply two formulas, n by 2 term and n by 2 plus 1 term. So we got n by 2 term is the third term. So we check in data, third term is 8, and here n by 2 plus 1 term we got fourth term. So fourth term is 10 in the given data, not in the given arranged data, not directly we have to check in the question. So when we got two values, so which one will be the median? How to decide? We have to take average of both the numbers. How to take average? Average means mean, find mean. 8 plus 10 divided by 2. Because there are two quantities, so we have to divide it by 2. So hope so you have understood how to calculate median, and median is the middle value of the data. So thank you for watching the video. Bye everyone.